Welcome to a new toy review. Today we have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Diecast model made by Kinsmart Corporation. So it's a very nice red van truck. And on the top we have a very nice Mercedes-Benz logo that is shiny. And it's recommended plus 2 years old, so don't give this to your baby. On the back we have other car logos that they also make diecast models of, and it's official license product. Here's the trademark information. They have all the companies here listed. Where is Tesla? They don't make Tesla diecast models. That's disappointing. On the bottom, made in China, just like 99% of all the other toys. And what else? Yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. Damn, I should have bring a scissors. Let's see if I can get the tape off nicely. I don't want to break the box too much because I will give this as a present to my nephew later. Shit. Okay, I got it. Yeah. You gotta be cost effective. So I give this as present later. So I don't want to break the box, but I still make the unboxing video of it first. That's smart. Oh, look at this. Nice. Look at that car. Ooh. It looks much better when you take it out from the box. Okay, we have these little, what are these? Spaghetti closing things. Like, these are just annoying to deal with. I always hated these. Like, you have to scroll them, but then you scroll the wrong way. You screw them the wrong way, and yeah. Ooh, it wasn't that bad this time. And the other one. Let's see, which way do we have to scroll it? I guess this way, and then you have to change the side and go this way. Yep, we got it open. Here we go. Ooh, look at this. How do we take this off now? It's behind the wheel. If you just pull this, like if kids get this toy and they just pull this, they will break the wheels for sure. Okay, so you gotta be careful when you take it off. Ooh, look at that. It's making a little noise when I... Wait. You pull it back and it goes on its own. That's nice. So it has this spring mechanism. When you go back, it actually move forwards. That's pretty cool. What else does it have? It has the doors that open on their own, so you can like put things inside. And they even have some details inside, like some boxes. That's pretty cool. They put a lot of attention to detail here. Seems like the door doesn't close properly. Or do I have to close the other one first? Yeah, you have to close the other one first, then it closes properly. Really good. What about the front doors? The front doors also open. And there's a lot of detail inside too here. Nice. It feels really like good quality, like nothing is breaking. What about the front? The motor? No, it doesn't open. Ah. Just feels really good. Let's try the mechanism a little bit more, because you can see it on the camera. This is my camera stand, by the way. So you pull it and it goes like this. Shit. Okay, I didn't intend to make this, but this was also a durability test. It fell from the table. Let's see if it's still working. Okay, everything still seems to be in place. The door is open. Can I close this? Or did the door break? I think I might have messed up the door somehow. Let's see. No, it's still closing. Okay, good. So this product will also get extra point from the durability test. That was unintentional. Let's try it on the floor. It's going really fast. You have to have a lot of space when you play with this toy. That's funny. Ooh, what is in here? We have a little spider boy here. Nice, thank you for coming on the video. Anyway, Kinsmart Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Very nice toy to give for your kids. I like this. The little detail is durable and it just looks nice. Look at this car. Nice. I think this will get really good rating. 10 out of 10. Highly recommended to give give present for your kid or to yourself if you like to collect these toys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more reviews. Thank you.